How to pay on Taobao with credit card in 2025. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to pay on Taobao with your credit card on your phone. So to get started, once you open the Taobao app, you'd want to select the item that you want to buy. For instance, this one, click buy now, and you select the color. Press on buy now. Confirm your address over here. Click that. Once you're done, you see the bottom right corner here that says pay now. Click that. And you click on add new credit or debit card, and here you basically fill out your card number, first name, surname, expiry date, and the 3-digit CVV number at the back of your card. Once you do that, click confirm, and you've made your purchase. And once you've done that, click on pay now, and you're done. And that is how you pay on Taobao with your credit card in 2025.